Hello YouTube. I spent a couple of days building a little hut and a fence around here under the deck, which is basically another coop. And then we got those little fellows over there. 4 of them. Let's see if we can get you a bit closer. There you go. They are all young ones. The bigger ones are just 3 weeks older than the small goslings. They are Toulouse geese to add to the zoo here. Once the dogs have gotten used to the birds and vice versa, and they have acclimatized a bit, then I'll break this inner fence down and they can just roam free and hopefully save me from buying a lawnmower. So right now Ellie is still very interested in them, and I have to keep calling her off, but that'll pass with a bit of time. Yeah, we just knocked that thing together under the deck. It's got an internal roof, so it doesn't, if it does rain, the water doesn't come through the deck into the air. It's got some straw in it and a heat lamp and just a few OSB boards and some 2x4s. With the water and stuff in there. So, but so far they're relatively chilled. They're a little bit skittish still, obviously. Just haven't been taken away from their old home and introduced to here. So Ellie, leave it. But everybody seems to be getting on all right. They go in at night, and I opened the door this morning at 7 o'clock and they came right out. They're enjoying their little pool and stuff. So yeah, now I've got to go and get some more gravel for our parking spot. The garden is coming along nicely. With the potatoes over there, tomatoes, those are beets, the big stuff in there, and it's doing okay, I think. There's a bunch of volunteer stuff that's popped up in the walkways and things, mostly squashes and stuff like that. Those things, they're like weeds. Onions are doing all right, and our strawberries are doing great. They are back there. And that's our little strawberry patch. I've had a few bowls out of that already this year. And funnily enough, mostly from the strawberries that we planted this year. They are doing really well. It must be a different species, different variety, whatnot. I don't know, but they're doing pretty good. So we are off to go get some gravel in a bit. Our new offspring is doing great with, oh, now that I've said that, they've gone inside, I think. Yep, they've gone outside. Siesta time, getting too warm. So they're back in the nesting box. I won't disturb them, so I hope that's it. They're in the nesting box, because I just been away to town with the dogs. Yep, there they are. They're inside the coop. There's the little fella. There you go. Beginning to get proper feathers, so yeah, we're doing all right. Anyway, that's just a quick update for Squirts and Giggles. I gotta get back to doing stuff. I might get the camera out with a gravel thing, but I got a couple of trailers full the other day. Oh, Rupert, move. And did our parking patch. And all I need now is a little bit to go from over there up to it. And then we got that figured out as well. So I think one more trailer full of the stuff and then we're good. Then we got a less muddy spot to put the car and truck. Got rid of some scrap yesterday. For the money they gave me for the scrap, I bought some chicken feed. And Ellie, leave it. Oh, she's at the goose pen again, sniffing around, upsetting the birds. Finnegan, go get Ellie. There you go. Come here. Both of you. Come on. Hey. There. Update so far. I'll catch you guys later. Be safe and have a good day.